Morning, people. Dave here. Um, it's gonna be 4 o'clock in the morning where I'm at. I'm looking at several videos. I've been been doing a lot of research. The videos on the Osmo action cam that's made by DJI, and they've been trying to compare it with the GoPro. Now, I'm talking to you from a GoPro Hero 7. It does live streaming. GoPro does live streaming, YouTube, Facebook, and several other platforms. I'm finding out that Osmo action cams are not going to have any type of live streaming. So I'm not a professional blogger, but I do enjoy coming out on Facebook once in a while. So I like to have that option there all the time. I am a person that loves water sports. I do a lot of scuba diving, a lot of snorkeling. Not in the area where I live. I usually travel across the world, towards the Philippines, Malaysia, those areas. I had been considering in buying that Osmo action cam, and mainly because it's got the front screen. It's got the front screen. I'm wondering if GoPro, you guys at GoPro, if you listen to this video, are you guys gonna make any changes on your Hero 8? And if you do, you ought to just do something similar to what Osmo's doing. Put a front screen on your camera. That is a good idea. It's always been a good idea. Matter of fact, I still remember watching videos where those old Pentax cameras, Nikon cameras that had a little screen in the front because people like taking selfies. Well, I don't think Osmo or DJI thought about the idea. They just figured they want to do something different, and it seems to be hitting popularity. The only thing is that I would still be faithful to GoPro because based on one of the videos that I just heard, he said he contacted customer support and asked them, when are you going to have live streaming on the Osmo action cam? Oh, they don't have any plans of doing that. So since they don't have any plans of doing that, GoPro still has the #1 lead in the industry because you guys do live streaming. And the Osmo action cam will not do live streaming at all. So, GoPro, you're still #1 in my book. And after seeing that video, that they have no plans in doing any type of live streaming, and I'm not going to even bother to buy one of those cameras. I would have bought it because I wanted to compare the quality, but it's the same thing you all have. You all have 4K at 60 frames per second. You all have everything else except the stabilization that you all have. The Osmo calls it rock steady. It reminds me of a video from the Flintstones. Rock steady, bedrock. Anyway, that's my part in telling you, GoPro, that you're still #1 in my list, and I will still continue to buy your products, because although Osmo might have wanted to take you out and make you lose money, there's one thing they don't have that you still have: live streaming. That's a very important feature, because everything else they seem to maybe even copied it from you. They have almost all the features that a GoPro has, except that they switched the name from stabilization to rocksteady. They don't have live streaming. You guys are still #1, GoPro, and you all keep it that way. And hopefully, when you come out with your GoPro Hero 8, you could blow them out of the water. You have a better camera than the Osmo. Anyways, this is Dave here, just giving you my 2 cents. If you like my videos, put a like in the bottom and subscribe so I can be able to make more videos for you. You all have a good morning and good luck.